Good afternoon. This is Vishnuvardhan, Mechanical Department, lecturer in Government Polytechnic Vadapalli. My subject name is Manufacturing Technology for C18 scheme, subject code M405. Today my chapter name is Jigs and Fixtures. Applications, differences, elements of jigs and fixture, principles of location and clamping, types of locating and clamping devices, types of jigs and fixtures. This is the introduction. In any machining operation, the positioning the work with respect to cutting tool is a time consuming activity. This setup time is drastically reduced with the help of jigs and fixtures. Further, each part is held in the same position, thus the identical parts with consistent quality are produced. Therefore, the interchangeability of parts is achieved by using jigs and fixtures. Jigs definition. Jig is may be defined as a device which holds and locates a workpiece and guides and control one or more cutting tools. It is defined as a device which hold and locate a workpiece and guide the and control one or more cutting tools. Fixture. Fixture may be defined as a device which holds and locates a workpiece during inspection or machining. The pictures does not guide the cutting tool. This is the main difference between jigs and fixtures and definitions also. This is the figures of simple drill jig and milling picture, and this is the parts of the milling picture. This is the vise, this is a vise, and this is the different operations and different workpieces also done. Jigs fixtures are special purpose tools which are used to facilitate production in mass scale. They eliminate the necessity of a special set up for each individual part. Jigs and pictures provide a means for manufacturing interchangeable parts. They establish a relation between tool and work with a predetermined tolerance. Once a jig or picture is properly set up, any number of same parts may be readily produced without additional setup. Jig is a device which holds the work and locate the path of the cutting tool. And picture. Picture is a device fixed to the work table of a machine and locates the work in an exact position relative to the cutting tool. Next, use of jig and fixture in manufacturing industries. To reduce production cost, to increase production rate, to ensure high accuracy in part manufacture, to enable heavy and complicated complex shaped parts to be machined by being held rigidly to a machine, to provide interchangeability, reduce quality control expenses, less skilled labor and labor cost, improve work safety. And this is the figures of it consists of a bench vise is hold on the workpiece and a cutting tool do to cutting a operation, and it can be moving, and workpiece is held on the work table, and it cuts and it will locate the workpiece and guides the control on a tools, and it's a which hold and locate the workpiece during inspection or machining. Economic viability analysis and judging necessity of jig and a picture. The three possible modes of manufacturing a lot of a product by machining are using ordinary machine and without jig or picture, and this is a machine but with jig or fixture using automatic special purpose machine. The selection of appropriate mode is governed mainly by technological feasibility of those modes, technical feasibility, that availability of the resources and facilitates for the different modes, economical viability considering cost of manufacturing based on the mission and cost of the jigsaw picture used to volume of production, and there is no pieces of material and labor cost, expected quality of the products, and its sale value, revenue, total time that will be required to complete the assignment. In the elements of selection of appropriate modes for a specific machining task. A specific case for example is taken as follows. To selection a procedure, a lot of 120 pieces have to be machined. The estimated cost components in three different modes are as follows. This is the ordinary machine without any jig or picture. Cost is approximately 2 lakh. Machining cost is the 5,000 per piece, and jigs and pictures in ordinary machine but with 3 lakh. Machining cost is the 2,500. In automation special purpose mission 6 lakh. Machining cost is the 1,000 rupees. The most appropriate is to be selected mode, and it is to be decided whether use of the jig and fixture will be justified. Consideration and steps. Assuming uniform quality possible by all the modes, selection is made of the basis of the production cost. With the given cost components graph, total machining cost versus quantity of production has been plotted as shown in figure. From the graph, it appears that mode workpiece is most economical when quality of production number of pieces to be machined is less than 40, and the mode will be most economical when the number of pieces exceeds 200. The mode jigs and fixtures appears to economically most viable. The production volume lies within 41 to 199, since the number of pieces desired to be produced is 120 only. It is clear that for 120 pieces, the mode jigs and fixtures machining is ordinary machine tool using jigs and fixture is most justified. and this is the graph of the figure. W W2 indicates ordinary mission and without fixture. JF means jigs and fixtures. Ordinary mission but with pictures, and A means automatic special purpose. It is the break-even point from 0 to 40 approximately. To increase the 40 values is increases from quantity of production number of pieces. It will be to increasing the machining cost in lakhs. That is the break-even point is the at the contact of the same points. Why are they important in production? Locate parts of precision, repeating process on a series of parts, holding parts for machining, painting, and assembly. Basic elements. A sufficiently rigid body, plate, box, or frame structure into which workpiece is loaded, and locating elements. Elements of jigs and fixtures is the body, locating element, clamping element, uh, tool guiding and elements. Elements for positioning or fastening. First one is the body. Body is a main structure in which workpieces to be machined are loaded. Locating element. Locating element are used to locate the workpiece in proper position in relation to the cutting tool, and clamping elements are used to secure the workpiece firmly in the located position during the operation. Next one is the tool and tool guiding and setting elements are used for guiding or setting of the tools in correct position with respect to the workpiece. A bush in a drill jig guides the drill and setting piece in milling fixtures, sets the milling cutter with respect to the workpiece. This is the jigs and fixtures. This is the jig plate. Jig plate to drill bit is inserted into the workpiece, and the workpiece is located on the work table, and the jigs and fixture are production devices usually associated with mass production where high accuracy is desired and workpieces are difficult to hold. The main differences between jigs and fixtures are jigs is hold and locate the workpiece and guide the cutting tool. Fixture means hold the workpiece but not guide the cutting tool. Jigs used for jigs used for holding the work and guiding the tool. In fixtures used for holding work in milling, turning, grinding, welding, drilling, reaming, tapping, etc. In jigs, lighter in construction, usually not clamped on the table. In fixtures, heavier and clamped on the mission table. Locating and clamping. The overall efficiency depends on the consistent location. Location refers to the establishments of relationship between the workpiece and jig or fixture. Clamping is to hold the work in position inside the jig and fixture body so that there is no work moment during machining operation. This is the locator types. Before explain the locator type, it is the advantage of jigs and fixtures. Jigs and fixtures are production devices associated with mass production. Workpiece can be easily loaded and positioned on machine tool. This reduces the setup time of workpiece, ensure high accuracy and surface quality due to absence of manual adjustment, high productivity which reduce the overall cost of production, identical parts with uniform quality can be produced. This ensures interchangeability of parts. High clamping force allows the machining of heavy and complicated parts at a high speed and feed rates. Unskilled operator can do the job, thus saving in labor cost. And the design factors for jigs and fixtures is the location of the component, clamping of the component, position of the fixture correctly related to mission tool, positioning the tool correctly related to component, safety to operator, ideal mission time, time required for loading and unloading of the components must be kept to minimum. Clamps. The clamps are used to hold the workpiece securely on the jigs and fixtures body against the cutting forces without causing damage to it. Clamping must be at the thick section of the workpiece to avoid distortion, and suitable support must be introduced if the workpiece is too thin to resist deformation by the clamping forces. Clamps must be positioned where they can most effectively prevent movement of the workpiece. And the locator types. Principles of location, and this is the adjustable type and fixed type. Components can be fixed and the jig body is supporting and the clamping device. Clamping device in this figure used singly to support to step clamp strap, used in pairs to support plain clamp strap, matched serration on all step block permit use of mixed sizes. This is the workpiece is fixed on the both sides of the clamps and other sides of the clamping to the workpiece and to be drilled on the drilling machine by the required dimensions. This is the clamping device. This is the long travel well cam locks, cam lock clamp. This is the rapid movement. Locking movement is there available. This workpiece is fixed on the kicker pin and the sides is the there is no disturbance to the workpiece. Same two directions of the clamp is the uh, left side or right side, and the top position of the lever arm pivoted on pin. This is the two direction clamp. Spring loaded hook clamp is supporting to the workpiece, and so this spring is adjustable to the required sizes of the workpieces. Hinged cam assembly clamp. Hinged cam assembly camp is the figure, and this is the cam clamps are quick action devices for clamping, but they tend to lose due to vibration, as shown in figure. Simple cam operated clamp, it is operated by activating the handle, and this is the jig bushes to made a jigs and fixtures. Two different parts can be made, and this is the holding device, and due to there is no cutting action only. This is the feeler gauges. Feeler gauges are used to measure a uh, thickness of gap on the holding the jobs. Jigs and fixtures definitions locates and hold the work and gets the cutting tool in true position of the work, and fixtures is the only holds and position of the work, but it does not get the work. Locating the elements tool, guiding elements and work clamping element. Fixtures, work locating elements, tool setting element, and work clamping element. Construction is jigs construction is light, and fixture construction is heavy. And applications of jigs in drilling, reaming, tapping, counter boring, counter sinking, etc. operation. In fixtures, applications is the milling, turning, grinding, and broaching operations. And special features is the jigs, drill bushes used for tool guiding. Fixtures is the special fixtures is the feeler gauges, setting blocks to adjust position to tool in relation to work. Principles of location. Principles of location is minimum locating points, the principles of mutually perpendicular planes, principle of extreme position of pins. Relief should be provided where burr or swap will get collected. Locating surface should be raised above the surrounding surfaces of jigs fixtures so that chips can be swept off readily. Sharp corners in the locating surfaces must be avoided. Adjustable type locators to be used for rough surface, and the body in a space has 6 degrees of freedoms. 6 degrees of freedoms. Three of these are linear along XY Z, and there are rotary about XYZ. The plate shown in figure can move along three axes X and Y and Z, and it can also rotate around these axes. Locating system should eliminate degree of freedom so as to complete operation with the required quality. This can be achieved by 6 locations suitable applied as shown in figure. In conjunction with the clamping system, pins 1, 2, and 3 prevent linear motion along YY. and rotation about Z to Z and X to X axis. Pins 4 and 5 prevent linear motion along Z to Z and rotation about Y to Y. And pin 6 represents prevents linear motion along X to X axis. Thus, all the 6 degrees of freedom have been removed. This is generally referred as 3 to 1 principle of location. To ensure that work is given desired constraint, make sure the location is foolproof. Workpiece can only be loaded in the correct position. Location points should be visible to the operator at working position. Location should be such that swap will not cause alignments. Location points to be far apart as possible to minimize inaccuracies. And principle of clamping. One of the most important features of any jigs and fixture is to clamp the workpiece in a fixed position. The following factors the following factors are to be considered for efficient clamping of workpiece. Use rapid action clamping devices to minimize clamping time. Must have positive clamping action to prevent undue movement. Clamps should withstand rough usage. Clamps should be simple to handle and easy to control without danger to the operator. Clamping force should be exerted on positively supported points of workpiece. Locating methods and devices. A large number of locating devices, locators, and methods are used for locating the workpiece. The most commonly used devices and methods are described. Locating devices as the usually made separators and accurately positioned in the jigs and fixture body. They are made of hardened steel and accurately grounded to size. The locators are maybe classified as the flat locators, flat face type, spherical face type, adjustable type. Locating pins are cylindrical locators, conical locators. Is the flat locators are used for locating flat machined surface. Spherical headed buttons are used for locating rough surfaces, and the point contact will ensure high stability of the workpiece. And locating pins is the case too. Cylindrical locators are used when finished holes are available for locating the workpiece. Conical locators are used for locating drilled holes. They accommodate a slight variation of hole diameter of the component without affecting the accuracy of the hole location. V locators are used to locate a component having circular or semicircular profiles. The applications of fixed and sliding locators are shown in figure. This is the locators. This is the locators above surfaces. This is the locating methods is the form of workpieces is the major factor in location system. The location system for plane, circular and irregular configuration is briefly discussed. Locating from plane surface, mission table is a reference plane for locating a workpiece with plane surfaces, and the workpiece will be in position due to its own weight. The mission table becomes a locating surface and prevents the movement of workpiece when force are imposed by the vertical feed moment. However, during missioning operation, the workpiece may move in any other direction except towards the surface of mission table. Complete location has been accomplished by use of 3 points with reference plane, 2 points in second plane and 1 point in third plane. In this case, the axis of circular workpiece is located parallel to the mission table surface, which is the reference plane. For locating cylindrical components, V block of 90-degree angle is extensively used. The V block is positioned in such a way that the variation of workpiece diameter do not affect the location of the workpiece, and the workpiece is positively supported against cutting and clamping forces. The standard check may be used as work locating clamping device. Locating from irregular surfaces. The surfaces neither flat nor circular are called irregular surfaces. A rough surface with variable size from time to time, part to part, is also considered as irregular surface. Such workpiece can be located using eccentric locators or adjustable resting pins, whose eccentricity can be set to suit the part or adjusted according to the part. In case of the axis of circular workpiece is to located parallel to the mission table surface, which is the reference plane. For locating cylindrical components, V block of 90-degree angle is extensively used. The V block is positioned in such a way that the variation of workpiece diameter do not affect the location of the workpiece, and the workpiece is positively supported against cutting and clamping forces. The standard checks may be used as work locating and clamping devices. The surfaces neither flat nor circular are called irregular surfaces. A rough surface with variable size from time to time, part to part, is also considered as irregular surface. Such workpieces can be located using concentric locators or adjustable rest pins, whose eccentricity can be set to suit the part or adjusted according to the part. Principle of pin locators is the mission minimum locating pins. No more points than necessary should be used to secure location in any one plane. Principle of extreme position. Locating points should be placed as far apart as possible on any one work surfaces. The principle of mutual perpendicular planes. The most satisfactory locating points are located on mutually perpendicular planes. Thank you.